Today we will discuss about vitamins. There are different type of vitamins. You can see vitamin A, B, C, E, B2, B1, K, B7, B6, B5 and B12. These are various sources. Importance of vitamins. Vitamin A is beneficial in treating eye disorders, skin infection. Vitamin B9 reduces risk of nutrient tube defects during pregnancy. Vitamin B12 provides relief from symptoms of anemia, kidney and liver disorders. Vitamin C helps treat scurvy, cancer and common cold. Vitamin D aids in treating arthritis, tooth decay, diabetes and rickets. Vitamin E improves blood circulation and slows down aging process, and vitamin K reduces risk of menstrual pain and internal bleeding. These are various sources, fruits and vegetables for each vitamin. These vegetables provide vitamin A like pumpkin, broccoli, carrot. Vitamin B is given by carrot, peas, garlic. Vitamin B2 is given by cabbage, peas, lettuce leaves, beans, etc. Vitamin B3 is given by capsicum, avocado, radish, carrot, tomato. Broccoli, cauliflower, potato gives vitamin B5, and broccoli, avocado, tomato, potato and cabbage is rich in vitamin B6. Vitamin C is given by cabbage, capsicum, broccoli. Vitamin A is given by lettuce, avocado, tomato, and vitamin B is given by green vegetables like cabbage, broccoli, and folic acid is given by these type of vegetables. In short, we can see different type of vitamin and their use. Like vitamin E is we can get vitamin E from some different types of oils, wheat germ oil, sunflower oil. Vitamin K can be attained by tea, coffee. Vitamin C we can get vitamin C by citrus fruits like oranges, moussanbis. Vitamin B12 we can get this vitamin from fish, banana, tomato can give up vitamin B9. These are the sources of different vitamins. That's it for today.